Many creators are already making over $100,000 a year by tapping into this lucrative market. AI technology can streamline the design process, ensuring that your products are both unique and high quality, catching the eye of a wide audience. Ready to explore how you can turn your creativity into a profitable venture? Let's dive into the world of AI-driven t-shirt design on Teespring and unlock the secrets to financial success. Welcome to day 21 of our 30-day series on earning money online. Today, we're diving into an exciting and profitable niche, making money by creating and selling AI-generated t-shirt designs on Teespring. If you've been following our series, you know we're committed to bringing you the best strategies for online income. Custom t-shirts are a popular choice for consumers looking to express their individuality, and by using AI, you can create unique designs quickly and efficiently. Imagine making over $100,000 a year by combining your creativity with the power of AI. Stay tuned to learn how you can turn this innovative approach into a reality. Don't forget to hit share and subscribe so you won't miss any of our valuable insights. The first step in this journey is understanding the potential of Teespring as a platform for selling custom t-shirts. Teespring provides a user-friendly interface that allows you to create, market, and sell your designs without having to worry about inventory or shipping. This print-on-demand service makes it easy for anyone to start their own t-shirt business with minimal upfront costs. With Teespring, you can focus on creating great designs while the platform handles the logistics. Leveraging AI in the creation of t-shirt designs is a game-changer. AI tools like Midjourney and DALL-E can generate complex and aesthetically pleasing designs that are perfect for t-shirts. These tools use advanced algorithms to create unique patterns, illustrations, and other intricate designs that are both engaging and visually striking. By using AI, you can produce high-quality content quickly, allowing you to focus on other aspects of your business, such as marketing and customer engagement. To start earning money with AI-created t-shirt designs, you need to identify your target market and understand their preferences. Conduct market research using AI tools like SEMrush and Google Trends to analyze popular themes, styles, and trends in t-shirt designs. Consider exploring various themes such as pop culture, motivational quotes, abstract art, and niche hobbies to appeal to a wide range of interests. Once you've identified your target market and themes, the next step is to create your t-shirt designs. Using AI tools, you can generate a variety of designs that fit your chosen themes. You can use AI to enhance and refine your designs, ensuring they are detailed and visually appealing. This process not only saves time but also guarantees a high standard of quality that will attract buyers.
Marketing your AI-designed t-shirts effectively is crucial for success. Building a strong online presence through a website, social media, and online marketplaces will help you reach a wider audience. Use platforms like Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook to showcase your designs and engage with potential customers. Create visually appealing posts and share behind-the-scenes content to attract followers and build a community around your brand. Offering free samples or running promotions can generate interest and drive sales, especially when you're starting. One of the key advantages of selling AI-designed t-shirts is the scalability of the business. Once you've created a set of designs, you can offer them in various formats and colors, catering to different customer preferences. This scalability allows you to maximize your income potential by reaching different segments of the market. You can also explore other revenue streams. Selling your t-shirts on Teespring is a straightforward process. Start by creating an account and setting up your storefront. Use the platform's design tool to upload your AI-generated designs and customize your products. Optimize your listings with detailed descriptions, high-quality images, and relevant keywords to attract potential buyers. Teespring handles the printing, shipping, and customer service, allowing you to focus on promoting your products and growing your business. To further enhance your earning potential, consider offering additional products and services related to t-shirt designs. For example, you can create and sell themed apparel collections that include hoodies, tank tops, and accessories. Offering customization options for corporate branding or personalized gifts can also attract a dedicated audience and provide an additional income stream. By diversifying your offerings, you can cater to a broader range of customer needs and increase your overall revenue. Take the time to analyze the performance of your products, gather feedback from customers, and make necessary adjustments. This iterative process is essential for refining your skills and delivering high-quality t-shirts that meet the evolving needs of your customers. By consistently improving your craft, you'll build a reputation for excellence and attract more business opportunities. The financial rewards of creating and selling AI-generated t-shirts can be significant. Many individuals in this field are already earning six-figure incomes, with some even surpassing $200,000 annually. By mastering the art of creating and marketing t-shirts with the help of AI, you can build a profitable and fulfilling business that allows you to achieve financial independence. Start your journey today and join the ranks of creators making over $100,000 annually. Remember to hit share and subscribe so you won't miss any valuable insights from our 30-day series. Thank you for joining us on day 21. Stay tuned for more.